Observe how to erase in 3 nights more than 50% of the oldness of your body and face using this. One of the greatest enemies of every person is the passage of time. As we know, with old age comes health problems. Among these problems, we can highlight the muscle aches and pains of the bones. However, another problem that worries many people, especially women, are wrinkles and old age. Over the years, the skin of our face loses its elasticity and firmness, and we enter into old age. Hence begin to notice lines of expression and wrinkles. This can become a nightmare for most women. Therefore, they do anything to combat old age and spend long hours taking care of their skin. For this, they resort to conventional methods such as creams and medical interventions. In the case of creams, the problem with them is that they are usually very expensive and not very accessible. On the other hand, medical operations can prove to be very dangerous as well as expensive. Hence, most people get to reject these methods to fight against old age. However, this does not mean that we must resign ourselves to having a wrinkled face. On the contrary, it is a motivation to resort to natural methods. These may be equal to or more effective than conventional methods. In addition, they always prove to be more economical and safe than creams manufactured by industries. Today, we want to talk to you about one of those homemade methods to combat old age. When you apply this method, you will notice the changes from the 3rd day. You will see how the wrinkles begin to disappear along with the lines of expression. We assure you that you will be surprised with the results obtained. For this, all you will need is a jar of Vaseline. You may find this hard to believe, but this product is very good for combating wrinkles. What happens is that, over the years, the skin begins to erroneously eliminate many substances and minerals that keep it healthy. But petroleum jelly captures these substances and returns them to the skin, so you do not lose your natural nutrition. Then we tell you how to use it for this purpose. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.